What it do, gang? Back at it again with another video. If you just not tuned in to the channel, man, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell at the top so you get notified every single time I drop a video, man. Looking at the title from today's video, man, y'all already know what it's about. I got the very first mod that I'm about to do to the Audi, man. And I must say, I'm super duper excited for this mod because this mod particular, you know, for those of you who have German engineered vehicles, and well, let me go back. Those of you who have performance German engineered vehicles, y'all understand what the first mod is when it comes to gaining horsepower, man, I should say. And I am gonna do a review based on, you know what I'm saying, how I love this car compared to how I love the Hellcat, man. It's a night and day difference. So I will share my thoughts on that, so stay tuned for that video. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox what I got delivered, man, because I'm excited to see what it looked like myself. You know what I'm saying? So I get more into, you know, the description and everything I got once I get into the video. So I'm not even gonna, you know, bore y'all with this intro. So let's just dive right into it. So before I even, you know what I'm saying, get into this video, man, y'all see the Audi right there, man. Parked in the garage, man. That's my baby dog. She needs a bath though. She dirty, man. I drove this car to the street car takeover and I ain't drove her since. So she a little dirty right now, but don't worry about it. We're gonna clean up. But look. This is the mod, man. Let's bring these over here. First off, can y'all read that? That's ARM, ARM Motorsports. Shout out to them. If you familiar with this company and you familiar with this box, man, you know, you pretty much know what this is about to be. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing so y'all can see what it is. All right, so let's start right here, man. Man. Hard doing this joint on one hand, man. Ooh, yes, sir. There you go. There you go. A little decal. Like that. This is some paperwork. All right. Gaskets. And bolts, need those. Installation guide. All right, man. Let's grab one of these bad boys out the bag. Y'all still know what these is yet? It's hard doing stuff like this with one hand, man. All right, man. Let's see. There we go. First off, man, I like the package, well, not the package, but I like the design on these, though. So, yeah, man. Okay. Got a little heat shield right there. So, for those of you who wondering what this is, man, this is a downpipe. This is a downpipe for the 4.0 twin turbo engine that I do have. And these bolt right on to the factory manifold. Now, let me show y'all something real quick. Hold on. Let me pop the trunk. Not the trunk, but let me pop the hood. Pop the hood. You know, I got some people out there that's saying my car not stopped. But bro, I ain't got no reason to lie to y'all, man. Just like on my Hellcat, man. The only thing aftermarket on this car, bro, is this cold air intake. And folks gonna be like, oh man, you got a cold air intake in the exhaust, so you got to have a tune. Not necessarily. It's recommended that you have a tune, but you can put this stuff on your car without tuning it. It's recommended, but it's not required. That's the difference. Anyway, I'm very transparent in my bills, man, because I don't care. You can know what I have, but can you beat it? Is the question. That's just what I be saying, man, you know. But anyway, that's a whole nother conversation. But anyway, gonna take that cover off right there. And all right. So as you can see, yes, I still am connected to the factory. First of all, these are the factory turbos still. Still got the factory turbos, man. All right. Only thing that's aftermarket, like I said, is the inlet pipes going in. See what I'm saying? That's stock. I mean, that's aftermarket. Turbos. These are the turbos. Feel what I'm saying? Still stock turbos, stock inlet pipes. You know what I'm saying? Stock waste gates, all that. But if you can look back there, you can see that this car still has the factory cap on it. O2 sensor. So man, like you can see the car still has the factory downpipes, shall I say. So it still has the factory downpipes. There they go right there. Those are the cats. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is gonna remove that there. We're gonna install these bad boys. I'm infatuated with this design, man. Like, they put their signature arm well on there. You feel me? Got the heat shield right there. And these bolt up exactly on the stock, man. Like, I can put these joints, like they go right there, man. Bolt right on. Simple. Simple. You hear me? So I'm not gonna be the one put them on though. But I just wanted to show y'all. And of course, man, they did come with all the you know, bolts and proper gaskets and stuff it need, man. It came with an installation guide, but I'm not gonna use that. And I'm not putting this little tank sticker on my car, but you know, I appreciate it. But yeah, I'm still infatuated with the design of these, man. They put a little blow pop in there, bro. That's cute. I'm not gonna eat that though. But yeah, man, so that's the downpipes, man. 3-inch well, aluminum, all the way back. And then they got like the factory, like these right here is like where the factory oxygen sensors and stuff go. So, you know, it just screw right in there. So everything's just plug and play, man. Plug and play. There you go. So now that y'all seen that, man, take a look at something real quick. Oh, okay. All right, man, but so yeah, now that y'all seen that, man, you know, for those of you who don't know the purpose of, some call them cactus mid pipes, some call them down pipes, you know, same thing. But for those of you who not familiar with them, then basically what they do, man, is they relieve the back pressure. And well, they free up a lot of pressure. Let me go back. With the turbos, man, having downpipes on German engineered cars with turbos, so what it'll do, the purpose of it, man, they'll freaking relieve that pressure that's kind of like trapped, I guess you could say, that's trapped in, and it allows it to flow more smooth, man. And when that happens, it increases the horsepower, the torque, and it allows those turbos to spool up even faster. You feel what I'm saying? Now, that's one thing that I love about downpipes. Even though this is my first time having a turbo car, I've been researching and learning a lot about these cars as they go by, man. So that's definitely a plus. So 1 second. Yeah, sorry about that, man. The mailman came, so I had to get the mail. But yeah, man, but other than that though, you know, yeah, these cars, man, they're engineered different. You know, like I said, I will do a comparison video between this car and the Hellcat, man, my experience, both of them, and let y'all know what I think. But for the most part, man, I'm pretty satisfied with this car. You know, it's a lot of perks, a lot of different stuff to get used to, but in the end and overall, you know, it's definitely was a great switch over. So I need to find out. So I've been researching shops that I can trust. You know what I'm saying? Because back when I had the Hellcat, man, I did all my own stuff. For real, for real. German engineering, man, it's a little different. So I'm probably not gonna mess with it. I'm probably gonna take it to a shop, man, who specializes in stuff like that. So I just got to find a shop, man. So the closest ones to me are in Atlanta, in the Atlanta area. It's 2 shops that I'm looking at that can possibly, you know, I can choose to do all the work to my car, but I'm still thinking on it. But again, you know, it's just a thought, so who knows, man. Well, I just got to set a time, you know, and take it up there, man. But I know for a fact that I'm gonna get it put on, man. And then on top of that, with the cats being gone, I already have an aftermarket Miltech exhaust on this car, so this right here is gonna, you know, wake the sound up even more. So definitely can't wait for y'all to hear that, man. So it's not really gonna be a long video. I just doing an unboxing video showing y'all the first mod I ordered for this car. So stay tuned for the comparison videos of how it sound before and after I put the cats or the downpipes on, man. I'm gonna do a review video and everything, like I said, both cars and how I feel about it. So meantime, in between time, man, I hope y'all gonna go on this new journey with me about this new build. You know, until then, man, make sure you share this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell at the top so you get notified every single time I drop a video. And other than that, man, y'all be breezy. You feel it?